Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to multiply two rational expressions. So let's say we had these rational expressions, x squared plus 6x plus 9 over x plus 3. And we wanted to multiply it with x minus 1 over x plus 3. So as you can see, we have two rational expressions, 1 and 2, and we want to multiply both of them. So very similar to fractions, since these are essentially fractions, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator. That is how we multiply these rational expressions. So we can multiply the numerators, so x squared plus 6x plus 9, by the numerator of this, x minus 1, and we multiply both denominators, x plus 3 times x plus 3. Excellent. So let's go ahead and multiply them. So let's write them out. X squared plus 6x plus 9 times x minus 1 over x plus 3. X plus 3 times x plus 3. Anything times itself is just that number squared. So that is x plus 3 squared. Good. And we could also multiply this out right here, this trinomial by the binomial. We could multiply it out as well, but let's actually keep it in this form because there is a way to simplify this later on. So let's actually, before we do anything, let's factor this trinomial right here. X squared plus 6x plus 9. So this is a trinomial written in ax squared plus bx plus c form, and the leading term is 1. So since the leading term is 1, we could factor it by finding m and n, so x plus, and we just have to find two numbers, m and n, where m plus n equal the b value, so 6, and then m times n equal the c value, which is 9. So what two numbers multiply to 6, or multiply to 9 and add to 6? Well, let's take a look at 9. There's 9 times 1, and there's also 3 times 3. And you might see 3 times 3 works, because 3 plus 3 equals 6, right here, and 3 times 3 equals 9 right there. So our m and n can be 3 and 3, so 3 and 3. Good, we factored this. Let's erase all of this. So we have factored this trinomial up here to this x plus 3 times x plus 3. And x plus 3 times x plus 3 is just x plus 3 squared. Anything times itself is just that number squared. So we can also write this as x plus 3 squared. And you might see that this is a perfect square trinomial because it factors to a binomial squared. And let's write the rest of this stuff down. So let's bring everything else. So times x minus 1 over x plus 3 squared. And you might notice we have an x plus 3 squared in the numerator and in the denominator. So we have it both in the numerator being multiplied in the numerator and the denominator as well. So we can cancel those out, and we are just left with x minus 1 as the final answer. So that's how you multiply two rational expressions. It's very similar to multiplying two fractions. You multiply across the numerators, you multiply both numerators together and both denominators together, and then you go ahead and simplify. You go factor what trinomials you can so that you can simplify it even further. So I hope this video helps. Please let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.